Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exams. So first of all we will split this fraction and we get m by root m plus root m by root m, and this will become equals plus root m and divided by m plus root m. So we will write this as this will become m plus root m. Then in the next step we will solve this further as this root m and this root m are cancelled out, and this m can be write as root m by into root m divided by root of m plus this will be equals root m divided by m plus root m equals 4. So root m and root m are cancelled out. So we have root m, then root m divided by m plus root m equals 4 minus 1. Here will be plus, so this will be minus 1 minus root m. Now 4 minus 1 will be 3. We have root of m divided by m plus root m. 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 minus root of x. Now we will multiply both sides by m plus root m, so root m equals 3 minus root of m into m plus root of m. Now we will solve this further as this will become root m equals 3 into m plus 3 into m and then plus 3 into root of m minus m into root of m minus root m square. So we get this equals, this will be root m will equals 3m minus m will be 2m and plus 3 root m and minus m root m. So this is the value. Then we will solve this further as this is the 3 root of m and this will equals 4 minus 1 minus 3 root m. So after this we will make this as this is 3 root m and then this will be the its root square then this will become root of m equals 2m plus 3 root m can be write as plus 2 root m minus m root m and then plus root of m because you have to make it 3. Now we will take common is root m from this. So we will get 2 root m plus 2 minus m. This will be equal 0. We have two possibilities, that root of m into 2 root of m plus 2 minus m equals 0. Now we write the final answer, root of m equals 0, that m equals 0. Then 2 root of m plus 2 minus m equals 0. Now we will solve this further as multiply this by minus 1 plus 2 root of m minus 1 and this will be plus 2 equals 0. Now we will solve this further as we can take minus as common from this. So it will become m minus 2 root m minus 2 equals 0. Now this is not possible to make the factors because roots will be rejected. For this purpose, we will write this as the completing square methods. So this will be we can write this as root m square minus 2 into root of m into 1 plus 1 square by using completing square method, or minus 2 equals 0. Now we will substitute all the values inside this and get the final answer, because this is the quadratic formula to find the values. So we have root of m equals minus b means plus 2 plus minus 4 plus 8 and divided by 2. So root m equals 2 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which implies that root of m equals 1 plus minus root 3. So negative root will be rejected, only the positive rule, that means m equals, you have to find the m value, so m will equals 1 plus minus root 3 square is 3 and minus 2 root 3. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video.